Dear students, a very good afternoon to all of you. So today we will discuss the homework that I had sent you. Let us discuss the homework. That it is written that circle the correct present tense from the verb in parenthesis. Parenthesis means bracket. So you have to choose the correct form of verb in present tense. See, it is written that a cricket jump or jumps high in the air. First of all, it is instructed that we have to choose the present form. So both jump and jumps both are present, but which one to choose? Remember that if the subject is third person singular number, then verb will take s or es with it. So a cricket means it is singular number, so we have to choose a singular verb. Singular verb means jumps. Jumps high in the air. It has or have strong legs. It means singular. With singular we always write has. With plural we write have. Any exception? Yes, it is I. I is the only pronoun that takes have with it. So it has strong legs. Do you see or sees many crickets in the city? See, do you see or sees? So you, that is second person. Second person means we will take only the main form of verb, that is see. Do you see many crickets in the city? Already crickets picture is you can see there. Okay, it is one of you. Whenever I look at it, this cricket, it reminds me of you. So the big cat looks at the small insect. So what I told you, look or looks. So which is the correct form? See, it is said that the big cat, which means this is singular. With singular we have to choose the singular verb. So we have to write there looks. The big cat looks at the small cricket. Then comes mice. Mice means this is the plural form of mouse. So this is plural, subject is plural. So with plural we have to choose the plural verb. So plural verb will be without s or es, that is hide. So the mice hide behind the cupboard. Here the spelling, this pronunciation of cupboard, the p is not pronounced, it is cupboard, not cupboard, it is cupboard. Remember it. Then comes at the newsstand, workers sell or sells newspaper. See, sell or sells newspaper. So which is the subject here? Subject is workers. If workers subject and that is a plural, so you have to choose the plural verb. That is only sell. The workers sell newspapers. Then comes the subway. The subway, this is singular. At first you have to remember that subway is a singular. So we have to choose a singular verb. Which is the singular verb here? Travel or travels? Travels. Because only third person singular number takes s or es with verb. So the subway travels underground. Mario. Mario makes a cage for his pet cricket. See, Mario makes a cage for his pet cricket. Which one should be the correct? Make or makes? Which is the number of the subject? Singular number. So we have to choose the singular verb, that is makes. So Mario makes a cage for his pet cricket. Then, this is the first time I am learning here that a cricket can be made a pet. Okay. My mother thinks crickets are noisy. So crickets are noisy. Who thinks it? My mother. What is the number of the subject? Singular number. So the verb will also be singular. So you have to write there only things. You have to write there things instead of think. Instead of only think, you have to write there things. S with the verb. My mother thinks crickets are noisy. Some insects chirp or chirps loudly. It should be chirp. Why? Because some insects, this is the plural verb, plural subject. With plural subject you have to take plural verb, and plural verb means here only chirp without s. Some insects chirp loudly. Then the next one, here it is told, rewrite each sentence, use the correct present tense form of the verb in parenthesis. I told you the meaning of the parenthesis, that is bracket. So many birds eat or insects. Here also it is written that you have to choose the present form of verb. So many birds, that is a subject. What is the number of the subject? Singular. Verb will also, no, sorry. What is the number of the subject? Plural. You are correct, it is plural. So if the plural is, if the subject is plural, then the verb will also be plural. So we have to write there only eat without any s. Many birds eat insects. You cannot write in its, you have to write it, because the subject is plural. A cricket rub its wings together to make noise. Yes, so a cricket means there we can find a singular subject. Singular subject will always take singular verb. So you have to add s with rub, that is rubs. A cricket rubs its wings together to make noise. An insect have verb we have to put there 3 body sections. An insect means this is the present tense. Not only present tense, this is the singular form of subject. So always a singular subject will take a singular verb. So you have to write there an insect has 3 body sections. The singular form of have verb is has, plural is have. So an insect has 3 body sections. Then comes bees, butterflies and wasps. So what is the number of the subject here? Plural. If the subject is plural, the verb will also be plural. So we have to keep the verb as it is, that is fly, without adding any s or es with the verb, without converting y into ies. You have to write there only fly and nothing else. So bees, butterflies and wasps fly around our garden. Come to the next point, that is write the form of the verb be. Verb be means be verb, am, is, are, was, were, whichever is necessary in each sentence. Then screen recording. Then write whether the subject is singular or plural. See, they are at the theater already. So tell me, they are at the theater already. So what is instructed? The write whether the subject is singular or plural. Which is the subject here? They. They means more than one person, means this is plural. I am late for the show. So what is the be verb here? Am. And what is the subject for that be verb? That is I, which means I denotes single person, that is singular. So here also the subject is singular. Then comes her shoes are red, which is the be verb here? Are. What is the subject of the be verb? Her shoes. Shoes means more than one shoe. So this here the subject is plural. The show is fantastic, which is the be verb? Is. What is the subject of the be verb? The show. What number? Singular number. So the show is singular in number. So that's how the whole thing is going on. The rest of the part will be discussed next day. And I hope you complete the rest of the part at home, and then please, if you have any doubt, contact me as soon as possible. Thank you very much, students. I hope you will revise the chapters well, and the moment you find any kind of problem, the moment you come across any kind of doubt, don't hesitate contacting me. Thank you very much. Let's call it a day. Tata.